Welcome to my channel on data analysis and research. Today I want to look at the Mann-Whitney U test. In research, data may be summarized as median, interquartile range if they are non-parametric or if they are not normally distributed. So where you have two groups, as you can see in this table, so we have the heart, no, and then yes. So these are independent samples you want to compare, but the data are non-parametric or they are not normally distributed. So they are summarized as median, interquartile range. So how do you determine whether there are differences between the groups? So that is obtaining p-values and the standardized test statistic. So we will go to SPSS. So this is our data set to determine differences between two groups of data that are non-parametric. We use a non-parametric test. So that is the Mann-Whitney U test for bivariate analysis. So under analyze, you go to non-parametric test. We are looking at independent samples. So you select independent samples. So here you can just use automatically compare or you can customize, but let's go with the default. So go to field. The group here is the grouping variable. So the variable that says yes or no, so that is heart. So you put a grouping variable here. Then you go and select your other variables you want to compare. So we are comparing from creatinine to the estimated glomerular filtration rate here. So we push it here. So go to settings. So here SPSS will automatically select the test, appropriate test for you. If you wish to go ahead, it will study the data and then select the appropriate test. But let's customize. You can also customize, so that is manually select the test you want. So you can see our Mann-Whitney U test here, two samples. So that is what we want to do. There are other tests like Kolmogorov-Smirnov, two samples, test of sequence, and this is for this non-parametric ANOVA. When you have more than two groups, you use the Creutzfeldt-Wallis test. We also have the median test. When you want to compare the medians, Mann-Whitney compares the distribution of the data, but the median test only look at the median values. So there are other options here, but we are interested in this. So we can run and see the results. So this is the analysis. Our results are in. So you can see the comparisons have been done. And then these are our p-values. So these are the p-values significance test here. So this is where you get your p-values from. So where do you get the standardized test statistics? So for every test, you see the standardized test statistics here. It's similar to the t statistics when you are doing the unpaired t-test. So for Mann-Whitney, this is also the statistics you can use, similar to the t statistics. So you can see, so that is it. So these are just additional charts and graphs in case you're interested in those ones, so you can use them. So for every variable, it gives you this value and you can get your standardized test statistics here. So that is it. So this is how, so to get these values, that is what we have done. So your p-values are there, your standardized test statistics is also here. So you input them onto your table. But first you need to summarize your variables as median, interquartile range, and then compare them to get your p-value and your STS. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and then recommend my channel to your colleagues who are interested in research and data analysis.